In this short video I'm just going to show you how to create a sweep with IronCAD using the twist feature as well. So to start with, I'm going to go to File and I'll go New Scene. That brings up our new modelling scene, and I'm going to select Sketch. I'm going to select the sketch I want, which is I'll put one on the XY plane like so, and I'm going to use the sketching tool. So I'll go to Center with a radius and just put a circle in there like so. Come up here and I'm going to actually pick a smart dimension and just click it on there like so, and I will change that radius to 30. So effectively we've got a circle there with a diameter of 60. I'm then going to come up to center radius, sorry, not center rectangle, and I'm just going to pick a point like so. Let's zoom in a bit using the mouse wheel. We've got a cancellation like so. Just going to go to trim. I'll trim that rectangle back so that we've got the bits that we require like so. So that's our cancellation on the circle, and what I need to do now, in actual fact, I want to mirror that over the other side. So if I go to construction mode here and I go 2 point, and what I'll do, I'll just actually put a center line in here like so. So that's our center, and what I'll do, I'll say let's go to mirror, and I'll say select it says select entities, and down here it says select curves. So with a left mouse click and a drag, I'll actually pick that geometry, and then I'm going to pick the mirror axis for this mirror, which is the center axis here, and you'll see it's previewed over here. And I'll just click and I'll just turn construction off and just go like so, and I'll just come back in here and I'll trim the bit that I don't need, which is that part there. And that effectively is our 2D profile for this part. So I'll just say finish sketch. What I need to do now, in actual fact, if I'm going to loft this, or sorry, sweep this feature, I need an axis to sweep it along. So I'll go to sketch again, and on here what I'll do, I'll take the ZX plane like so, and what I'll do, I'll go to construction mode again, 2 point line, and I'll just swivel that round a little bit so you can see, and I'll just put a point on here like so. And I'll just actually, let's turn construction off, and then come up here a distance like so. And if I want to put a specific length for that line there, I can do that. Before I do that, I'm just going to hover over the center point there, do a right mouse click, and I'm going to lock the position of that line so that when I put a dimension on, that center point there stays in where it needs to stay. So let's go to constraints, smart dimension, put a smart dimension on here, and we'll drag a line like so, and maybe I'll make that 100 millimeters long and say OK. So that's actually our that's the center line that we're going to sweep that profile along. So we've finished the sketch, and now what we'll do, we'll go to feature up here and we'll go sweep, and it's asking me for the section, so I'll pick the section there like so. And you can see it's previewing it already because I've already set the twist for 90 degrees. If you go down to sweep options here, you'll actually see that we've actually got an angle of 90 degrees set there. So if you want, you could actually change that. So maybe we'll make that 70 degrees like so, and it will adjust accordingly. Just hit the green tick, and basically that is our swept feature. So we've actually then created that sweep. Which is obviously you know, quite useful for creating such a part. It could be a gear arrangement or part of a gear, or it could be maybe an auger, for instance. So being able to create that sort of loft with a spin is quite powerful, and I hope that's been of interest.